In mind, if you live over here in Wheeling, that's a populated suburb. A lot of people live there as well. You're going to be getting some of the strong winds with this too. So we don't want you to let your guard down on the periphery of where we're seeing that rotation right there. So where the green and the red are coming together, that little circle that our producer Dalton put on there for you, that's where we're seeing a possible developing tornado. In fact, there are almost two little areas where I'm seeing some tighter rotation on there. Schaumburg, 6:20. That's the time we would expect it to arrive. So you've got just a couple of minutes. Gather the kids, gather the pets, get everybody down to the basement. I know a lot of you have basements there in northern Illinois. Elk Grove, 6:32 is arrival time for you. Des Plaines, if it holds together, you're not in the tornado warning right now, Des Plaines, but you are in the severe thunderstorm warning. So probably just best to stay put in your safe place. Why not, right? Go ahead and do that. This is what we call the hail signature. This is Doppler radar can estimate how large the hail might be. Hail and ice is much more reflective than the water droplets of the rain. So we get this brighter return that you can see, and it's estimating hail over an inch in diameter. So expect quarter plus size hail with this too. So hopefully you've got your cars in the garage or under some kind of a carport at all. So Mark, this is just the beginning. Of course, you know, this is right now looks like it's staying north of Chicago, but a lot of sports fans in Chicago, and it's going to get pretty close to the game, I think.
Especially as this tornado circulation, if it organizes a little bit more, this is going to start to bend south from the due east direction it has been moving in. And it wouldn't take much of a bend south